Alright everybody, I am finally back turning on the camera for once again after like a month of doing shit. So here's the final update of the Integra build once I post it on for sale and shit. The paint didn't turn out that bad. You can see the green and all that. Yep. So I remember when this was all cameraed out, didn't have that much space. Now barely any, blah 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 blah. Just got new camera kits, fucking did all that. Got a wing for it now, for free. And then, funny story, when I did drive it for a while, this bumper came off on the highway. Thank God I found it. What else happened? Oh yeah, the clutch problem that happened, I found out that the hose that was in there, there was a hole, and then the master cylinder was just sucking air back into the system, and it would just bleed out every time. So now that's all fixed. And then my short shifter broke when I did a launch from first to second. It just flew from right there all the way in the back seat. So now I got that fixed. The new shifter is in there because the other one was just wrong adapter and it was like way too big. That one is just from the RSX. All done and dandy. Not too bad. I mean, it looks nice now because it's wet, but once it's dry, it's not. It's like overspray kinda, because I didn't really have any vents for anything to like blow it all out. Still needs wet sanded, but that's not gonna be for a while. It's way too damn cold. All right. So anyway, today no more of the Integra build, whatever you call it. Just restoration on whatever. Yeah, today we are working on the purple RSX Barney. I did get a shipment today. If you can guess from, oh shit, you probably might have seen it. I probably blurred it out. Let me just, yeah, this was a new one, by the way, the one that was in the car before, because my friend that I bought off him changed it out, but it went bad too. Took me a while to figure everything out, but it's all cool. This was the box I got today. You can tell. Oh, it will focus. Ktuned, blah blah blah. It was on sale on Black Friday. Came a lot sooner than I expected. But yeah, I already took it out of the box and everything. And here's what that is. When I originally bought it, I thought it would come with the Ktuned bushing thing for those, and the actual shift knob, but it's whatever. I have the weighted one in the Integra right now, but you know, this would make it a lot nicer for my interior since I have the bright seat in there. Make it look more race car. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you along to put that in there. Alright, so let's get started on this. Hopefully I have good lighting. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, I did this really fast, and I didn't even do the door gems or anything. So, yeah, look, pearls. Oh, there it is. Okay, yes, I sidetracked. I do plan on like changing the color of this car again. Just, I do know the color and everything. I just want to get the motor and everything done first. Yep, pretty much it for that. Yep, first things first, you're going to take the boot off. Well, not the boot off. That doesn't really come off with it. Not yet, anyway. Take the shift knob off. It's already off. These would just pop off automatically. And then there's two bolts over here. That little thing by my finger down there. Take that off, and this whole center console would slide off. So you can get to the bolts for the cables. So yeah, get back to you when I take that off. Alright, so I do have this off now. One thing I did forget to mention, there is that cigarette lighter freaking panel thing that goes right here. You are going to have to take that off first, because when you do that, there are going to be two little screws there and there, and then everything should pop off. You are just going to have to, like, if you do have an RSX anyway, like pull the e-brake all the way up so it could have some clearance to just, oh shit, slide that shit out of there. But yeah, So all you're gonna need to do is pretty much just take off these 12mm bolts, all 4 of them, and then these locking pins. Just get like what you call it, a flathead, just pull them out. As well as this, you just need, like, I don't know, just get these pins out and it fall over. Let's see. And focus. Yep, just get those pins out, and that should. Alright, so one little blah 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 beep. Anyway, so one little thing that I would like to mention, if you guys are doing this yourself, when you do take this one off, you are just gonna have to like pry it out, because this would be over here. Just pry it out like all the way out, so it just pop out itself. Because this spins and doesn't have like a clip, it just like locks on. Don't know really how else to explain it to you. Yeah, well, I feel kind of stupid. The whole thing, all of the footage was pretty dark. I didn't even change my ISO. Anyway, now you can see a lot more brighter shade here, even without the light. So yeah, alright. Need to get this bad boy in there. Sorry my hands are ashy. But yeah, it's pretty much all bolt on. With K-swap cars, you are going to have to drill out new holes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just put everything back on. Put the new one in. Easy peasy cake. Alright, I was, Shawn Mendes is playing. Hold on. Okay, anyway, one thing I did forget, just transfer all the what are those? The rubber grommet things onto the new one. If you're not getting the Ktuned, they're Ktuned one, blah blah blah. Yeah, pretty much all you do is just push this metal pin out, and then just pry it out with the flathead, and then reverse order on the new one. Okay, there you go, guys. Good investment, kind of. I don't know. It's pretty cool. Look. Oh, me, look. This is neutral. I mean, I don't have a shift knob on it, but that's like very little play. That's it. That's it. That's it, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's reversed. Oh damn. I wish my car was right here and drive. Oh yeah, Latinas. Because I'm dating one. What a Latina, what? Hey, I hope I don't get beat up by her. Alright. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's my thing. Anyway, so I'll take out that spot focus, blah blah blah. Okay. Yep. That's what it looks like without the shift boot. I did take this off and see what it looked like, but I didn't like how there was an open space right here. So maybe later on I might just like get a Dremel and just cut that, but I'm really debating on not doing that, because I really don't want to cut shit, because I want to keep everything all nice and OEM besides this shit. I might cut this off though, because what it had earlier was the little shiny little thing to it, and that was pretty gay. But yeah, now you can really see inside of it. Everything's still covered up, so that's what it looks like. Happy for it. Come bright see, you know what I mean? Carbon fiber wing, purple. Not for long, but yeah. So if you guys kind of enjoyed this, it's not really an install video. It's just you guys just watching me how to not do it. Well, not how not to film it. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for the new exhaust that is coming on its way. Probably like next week or so. So yeah, later.